Want to remove unwanted objects from a photo on your Samsung device? Here's a simple guide on how you can do it directly from the gallery, without using other apps. First, open the gallery and find the photo from which you want to remove objects. Tap on the photo to open it. Next, tap on the pencil or edit icon to enter editing mode. Then click on the icon with 4 circles. In the editing options, look for the tool to remove objects, which is called Object Eraser. Tap on this option and mark the object on the photo that you want to remove. After that, press Erase, and the marked object will disappear. Repeat the process as many times as needed. When you're done, tap the Done button. Finally, tap Save to save your changes. Your photo will be saved without the unwanted objects. If you're satisfied with the result, you can continue editing other photos in the same way. I hope this guide was helpful to you. For more similar tips, check out other content and subscribe.